Hi, it's Ray, and I want you to know I've been sitting on my butts for most of my life. No, not the B-U-T-T kind, but the B-U-T kind. You know, the kind that I use all the time. Like, I want to go for a walk, but it's raining outside. When all the time, in walking distance, there's a gymnasium with a walking track above the basketball court. Good to use in any kind of weather. So my butt is just an excuse. It's a procrastination. And I, and perhaps you, need to get off of our butts, because our butts are what's keeping us from moving forward in life. You know, somebody says, I want to go back and get my degree, but I'm not sure I could compete anymore with the younger students. I want to lose weight, but I really do love chocolate. We'll never move ahead in life unless we're willing to get off of our butts. So the word for today is but. And a great song by Terry Wilder. I called her the other day and asked her to send it to me. You can do the same thing. Terry Wilder, TerryWilder.com, and ask her for her But song. Okay? Have a great day, a wonderful week, and remember, the word for today is but. Let's get off with them. Bye now.